I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. This way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time I need that Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around me, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. 713 through the 281, yeah, I'm riding. Why they on me? Why they on me? I'm flying, sipping low-key. I'm sipping low-key and honest, rider. I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those comments, I'm way too numb, yeah. This way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time I need that Heimlich, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around me, throw that to the side, yeah.
Hueves.
What are you doing right now, kid? Can we get a little
I'm
documentary?
I'm bolting in my cranks.
Boating in my crank.
Ow, fuck. Does it clear good? See, there's about that much clearance. Oh yeah, same clearance.
Oh yeah, I'm going Rickley.
It's not tight. You need to get that out of my face. I'm trying to work.
Trying to work.
Oh.
Yo, we'll get back when we start putting the wheels on and stuff.
Once it starts looking like a bike, we'll get to you.
And I'm also, we're probably going to put on the forks in the headset right now, so this bike actually looks somewhat complete. This is.
Are we gonna take his virginity together?
Yes,
Dude,
honestly.
it's her first time and she's doing a fucking threesome.
Hell yeah.
Wait. No, tease it. Hey, don't fucking scratch her.
Put it in, bro. That's what she said.
Dude, fucking dial.
Man, dude. Huh. Street is hot. Yo, chill. What are we putting on next?
Something.
Pedals? Let's put some pedals on.
Let's just put the bars on.
What brand? Shadow? Have you been riding these?
Yeah.
I thought you weren't.
Or just snug it down for now. You do it.
Oh yeah, that's straight. I hear the garbage man.
You think you're so funny,
He's picking up the stinkies.
Yeah. Stop it.
We need to have some commentary. This is too quiet.
I was gonna say something, but not family friendly. Or anything friendly. To take it. Shadow ban.
Injectocito.
Ejectocito.
And I said injecto because I'm an idiot.
Yeah, you did.
I have autism.
Hey! I know. Chicago bars.
Should be in line. Your sweep should be in line with your forks.
Sweep?
Yeah, sweep.
I've never heard of that phrase before. Is that like your bars?
Yeah, that's. Wait, you've never heard
I've
of that?
never heard of sweep before.
That's the sweep of your bars.
Like that? Like that?
Yeah.
That's called your sweep? Yeah. I was just calling it the angle.
Sweep.
I've never heard of it.
Sweep.
You learn something every day. Hey, I'm learning. I'm not a fucking asshole.
Sweep. Sweep. Sweep.
Get the fuck out of here. Yes.
What are we taking right now? What are we taking? We're taking the dirt road. Is what we're doing right now. Oh boy.
That was a quick one. That was a quick one too.
Oh yeah. We didn't even need any lube for that one.
Where are the tools?
Like right there, bro. If it's straight, bro, just put it right in.
Is that how high?
Yeah, that's pretty good, right?
Maybe.
It looks good.
Is this the right side? Fuck. Yes. No, it's not. Is it? Dude, everything's this fucking size.
Yes.
I don't like the pivotal angle though.
Sick though. This thing's looking sick right now. This bike's coming together so fast and I'm liking it. This is sick. So we're having some technical difficulties right now.
I'm getting it.
I'm putting the chain. I'm just gonna subtly resume from that because I have no clue why I just hit the end button, but slowly getting it. Then we're gonna put the wheels on. We got 4 pegs waiting. 4th one's right there. But yeah, dude, this bike is looking sick. This kid's going so fast. He's so excited right now to put this bike together.
Why'd you only put one peg on?
I didn't put it on at all.
Yeah.
I told you I had to wait.
Why do you have to wait?
Make sure it goes on right and everything.
Where's the other bolt?
There's another peg right now.
This one's open. Where am I sliding up? Oh wait, no. Just fucking retarded, I guess. These hub guards are gonna be the biggest bitch to deal with. What are you laughing at?
You just knocked it off again.
I fucking know. Just stop. Fucking get fucking anal, please. Oh shit. Fucking horny.
Come on. Get a drop test right now.
Drop test.
All right, dude, this thing is mint right now. So sick.
Do most free coasters feel like that?
Oh yeah.
Sloppy.
Yeah,
I love it.
You're just not used to it.
I love it.
You love it sloppy, huh?
Nice and loot. I'm gonna fucking hit my shit on.
This kid's never ridden a free coaster and he's all hyped.
I've ridden a free coaster.
And there's my steed.
Just not mine. First free coaster I ever had. Imagine this trick.
That'd be crazy.
I need air.